Welcome to the Productoo Factory Lab. Let's talk about the line feeder, picking and warehouse. Once the production is done, the finished material is ready to be delivered to the truck image or warehouse. In the picking assembly are planned loops based on the frequency of train. Let's say the train picks goods every 4 hours. The line feeder, responsible for the delivery, checks the production items ready in this loop. We have one there. First, line feeder confirms picking of the pallet. Based on the truck image number, he delivers the production item to the correct truck image. After delivery, he confirms the delivery is on its place. This can be done also by barcode scanner. On the truck image monitor, you see the status of each one of the shipments. The quantity is immediately updated after delivery. You are always informed about upcoming shipments and shipment history.